Hello guys. In today's video, let us look at how to prepare for IELTS writing test. In writing test, there are two types, IELTS academic writing and IELTS general writing. Make sure you prepare for the best suitable test for yourself. Along with the listening and reading test, the writing test will be completed on the same day with no breaks in between. The writing test of IELTS is designed to assess how you write your answers and use range of grammar and vocabulary accurately. Let us see what are these two types of IELTS writing test. Since IELTS writing will be different for academic and general candidate, let us look at in detail information about both. At first, IELTS academic writing. You will have 60 minutes to complete this test, and it comprises of two tasks. Task 1. In the first task, you will be given a data in form of table, chart, graph, diagram or map. And you are expected to write a summarized report or explanation of information in your own words. You should spend 20 minutes on this task, where you are expected to write at least 150 words from information provided. If you will be spending more than 20 minutes on this task, you will have less time to spend on task 2, which is more challenging. Note that you will not be penalized for writing more than 150 words, but you will be penalized if your answers are too short. You are required to respond in relevant manner. Off-topic responses will be penalized. Now let us look at task 2. In this task, you will be asked to produce a written argument on a given topic to establish your answers correctly. Or probably you will be asked to write an essay. You are required to read the task carefully and provide an appropriate response. For example, if you are asked to write about products aspect, you should focus on relevant answers, not simply write general way. In task 2, it will be more challenging to write it. You are suggested to spend approximately 40 minutes on this task. You will have to write at least 250 words. Short answers will be penalized, but you will not be penalized for using more than 250 words. Task 2 contributes more to the band score than task 1. Therefore, if you fail to attempt this task properly, it will affect your band score. Now, let us look at general writing. In this, topic will be of general interest, and you will have 60 minutes to complete this test. Similar to academic test, IELTS General has two tasks. Task 1. For task 1, you will be presented with situation and required to write a letter requesting information or explaining a situation of at least 150 words in the answer booklet provided to you. The situation can be everyday thing, such as writing to a magazine about a development in your city, or writing to a new staff member about your company, or so on. You are required to read the task carefully and what you need to cover in your answers. You should not use more than 20 minutes for this task, and you are asked to write at least 150 words. Words less than 150 will be penalized. Your answers should not be too short. You should keep in mind that you are recommended to spend 20 minutes for this task. You are penalized if you provide irrelevant information or off-topic answers. Now, let us look at task 2. In this task, you will be asked to provide semi-formal essay of at least 250 words. You are required to read the instructions carefully, which may involve factual information, briefs about any point or discussion, and so on. Topics will be of general interest. For example, why you should pay for orphan houses, or how the pollution problem can be solved, etc. Please note that you are required to give irrelevant response, you are not required to give irrelevant response. Off-topic responses will be penalized. I hope you find this video useful. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.